हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून, गुड इवनिंग। आज हम लोग स्टार्ट करने जा रहा है बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक एंड दिस इज़ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर द बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम एंड फॉर फाइनल एग्ज़ाम। ओके, सो स्टार्ट नाउ। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ऐसा ब्रांच है जो कि हम लोग का डेली लाइफ में यूज़ हो रहा है in variety of uses in homes, school, hospital, industries, etc. It is a controllable and convenient form of energy for a variety of uses in homes, school, hospital, and industries, etc. In this chapter, we discuss about what constitutes electricity, how does it flow an electric circuit, what are the factors that control or regulate current through an electric circuit. ओके, हम लोग इस चैप्टर में डिस्कस करने जा रहा है करंट कैसे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कैसे प्रोड्यूस होता है, ये कैसे काम करता है, इसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन कैसे फ्लो होता है और क्या क्या फैक्टर है जिसने इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट को कंट्रोल और रेगुलेट करता है। ठीक है, तो चलिए नेक्स्ट, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट एंड सर्किट। इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, द रेट ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज थ्रू ए कंडक्टर इज कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट करंट। एंड इस डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट कैसे हम लोग दिखा जाता है, द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द मोशन ऑफ पॉजिटिव चार्ज इज टेकन एज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ कन्वेंशनल करंट। इट इज फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल टू नेगेटिव टर्मिनल, दैट इज फ्रॉम हायर पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस टू लोअर पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस। इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट क्या होता है? A continuous and closed path of an electric current is called an electric circuit. Switch, and there are some parts which included in the electric circuit. One is switch. A switch makes a conducting link between the cell and the bulb. Next, one node point is there. In an electric circuit, the direction of electric current is taken as opposite to the direction of the flow of electrons which are negative charges. Okay, now we discuss about the current. If net charge Q flows across any cross section of a conductor in time t, then current I through the cross section is I equal to Q by T. Here Q is the charge and T is the time, and the SI unit of current is ampere. Coulomb, it is the SI unit of charge which is equivalent to the charge contained to nearly 6 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. One electron possesses 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb charge. Ampere is the SI unit of current. The SI unit of current is the ampere. 1 ampere is defined as the flow of 1 coulomb of charge per second. That is 1 coulomb equal to 1 coulomb per 1 second. This is called 1 ampere actually. And 1 milliampere is 10 to the power minus 3 ampere, and 1 microampere is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 ampere. Now there is some devices and instrument which measures the current, that is ammeter. It is the instrument measures the electric current in a circuit, and it is always connected in series for measuring the current. Okay, now there is one question which is now we are solve it. In this question given, a current of 0.5 ampere is drawn by a filament of electric bulb for 10 minutes. Find the amount of the electric charge that flows through the circuit. Okay, now we have to given current is 0.5 ampere and time given 10 minutes. Okay, now we have to converted it second. Okay, 10 minutes means 10 into 60. that means 600 second. Okay, now we know that I equal to q by t. Yes, okay, then given I is 0.5 एम्पियर एंड Q हम लोगों को क्या करना है, Q निकालना है, सर्च निकालना है. ओके, देन टाइम इज गिवन 600 सेकेंड. सो Q is 0.5 into 600, that 0.5 to 6 300 कूलम. ओके, ऐसा यूनिट चार्ज का ऐसा यूनिट क्या होता है, कूलम होता है. ठीक है. नाउ वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द two important questions which is given in NCERT. Okay, that is what does an electric circuit mean. So we have to write there, and we have discussed already electric current, the rate of the flow of electric. Okay, there is electric circuit. Okay, sorry, electric circuit. This is a continuous and closed path of electric current is called an electric circuit. Okay, this is a continuous and closed path of an electric current is called electric circuit. Okay, this is one more question. Okay, and then we have to discuss about okay, we have discussed next question, define the unit of current. I know we know already that current SI unit is ampere. Okay, ampere is the SI unit of current is ampere, and 1 ampere is defined as the flow of the 1 coulomb of charge per second. That is 1 ampere means 1 coulomb charge divided by 1 second is called 1 ampere. So there is, okay. Next question, there is calculate the number of electrons constituting 1 coulomb of charge. Okay, here we have to calculate the number of electrons, that is n. Okay, and we know that one formula that is Q equal to NE, which is not given in NCERT, but we have to know. Here only direct exactly given the value, but we have to calculate how this value is come. Okay, so Q equal to NE, there is Q means 1 coulomb. Okay, जो क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है. नेक्स्ट N का वैल्यू हम लोग को निकालना है. ओके, एंड E का वैल्यू हम लोग को पता है कितना है, 1 coulomb. 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन का चार्ज कितना है, 1.6 इंटू 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. ओके, यार coulomb कैंसिल होके 1 इधर रख दिया है और 1.6 इधर में मल्टीप्लाई में, तो हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या होगा, डिवाइड में आ जाएगा. ओके, देन n का वैल्यू हम लोग को फाइंड करना है. तो n का वैल्यू क्या जाएगा, 1/1.6, यहाँ पे 10 to the minus ऊपर आ जाएगा. तो 1/1.6 into 10 to the power 19, and we have to write this is 0.625 into 10 to the power 19 n. तो I mean 6 into 10 to the power 18 हम लोग डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हैं जो NCERT में दिया हुआ है. ओके, तो आज तो फॉर टुडे this is enough, and next lecture will discuss about the potential difference and electric potential. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye bye.